Oh my gosh, this thing done gave me a butt lift.
Hello, gorgeous. Welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Tamika. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. All right, so as you can tell by today's video, honey, I have a PR package that I need to do an unboxing and try on haul. So thank you, IUGA, for collaborating with your girl. She is Tamika. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these beautiful pieces that I got for my fitness journey. As you already know or don't know, your girl is embarking on a new fitness journey, so I need a couple of cute pieces to accommodate my fitness style and my lifestyle. Yes, I do work out from home, but who says you can't look cute and gorgeous while working out at home? All right, so let's go ahead and get into these 4 pieces that I got. I got 1 set, which is a pants and top, and I got 2 bottoms. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. IUGA Yoga, nothing but comfort. Now let's go ahead and get into what IUGA is about, their philosophy, and why you should choose IUGA. IUGA is a yoga sport brand focused on comfort, dedicated to providing yoga enthusiasts with high quality, affordable activewear. Our goal is to enhance your experience with ultimate comfort, whether in yoga, workouts, or everyday life. Our philosophy, nothing but comfort. Comfort is at the core of everything we do. We believe activewear should support your body and boost your confidence no matter the activity. Why IUGA? Trusted by over 5 million users, featured by top media outlets like Yahoo, People, InStyle, and Wirecutter. Over 80,000 positive user reviews. IUGA comfort, style, and performance in every piece. Okay, so leggings by name. We have Butter Lab, Flex Tight, Silk Feel, Power Tight, and then we have Heat Lab. All of my items are in a size small. It is true to size. A few weeks ago, your girl was a little bit lighter, and I thought, I don't think I'll be able to fit into a small. Maybe I should have gotten a medium. I tried one of the pants on, and honey, it fit. But let's go ahead and get into the try on haul because I'm just so excited about it. Okay. All right, so here are my 4 pieces that I got. I got a set and 2 bottoms. So let's go ahead and unbox. All right, so my first pair, and they are packaged so cute, nicely folded with a white little tissue. Okay. So this is what the detail looks like. It has the tag on the back. Nice little print on the back right there. And it has pockets. All right, so let me go ahead and try these on. I'm wearing the Power Tight Sandwich No Front Seam Leggings in the color of iron gray.
Oh my gosh, this thing done gave me a butt lift.
Sandwich No Front Seam Leggings gives high support, perfect for high intensity training. Sandwich waistband. And it also gives a tummy sculpt and butt lifting, as I already mentioned. Overall, I like these pants here. I like the details. I like the suppression that I feel around my tummy line. And I don't feel like, my gut or anything is gonna like fall out because, the pants can sometimes fold over. And I feel like I will get great support and I won't get that uncomfortable feeling that I need to watch out for my tummy area, when I bend down and do different poses, stretches, and different type of strength training workouts. I will get the great support that I need to support me in my fitness journey. All right, and not to mention that it does give me a booty lift. Go ahead to the second piece. Second one It's this pretty blue.
No more, no more where you dance them, no more where you dance them.
So the second one is Flex Tight High Waist Tummy Control Leggings. It gives mid support, fit your workout, running, and outdoor routines. It's mid support but still comfort. So this one right here, it feels really nice and snug. Not as snug as the gray pair, but this one leaves me a little bit more of a breathing room, which I really do like. Again, I'm not going to have that fold over feeling, you know, when I bend down and do different moves. Like I can do whatever I want here and I don't have to worry about the pants folding down. Now it does have this little pocket thing right here. I'm assuming like this is like for your key or maybe your, I don't think it's for the phone, but you know, it does have the pockets here that you can put your phone in, but I don't know, maybe this is for a little key or something, a little hide and go seek pocket thing right here. So I thought that was really neat and cute. Maybe it's for a credit card. I don't know. Not exactly sure. But overall, I like this one. So the set I got in black. So it's a two-piece. Okay, so I'm wearing the Butter Lab V-neck adjustable workout tank top. This is the La Cara Adaptive and Skin Loving. I love the fact that these straps are super thick and they are adjustable. Now, there is padding in the chest area, and I love the detail in the back. You know, you got to have your logo in the back, right? It looks so cute. Look at me flexing my muscles, honey. This is perfect. It is not too tight, not too loose. I just love the thick straps. Okay, so the last piece I'm wearing is the Butter Lab No Front Seam Leggings. It gives low support, La Cara Adaptive, buttery soft for your all-day wear. This does feel extremely good. Like I said, it is low support compared to the other two leggings that I had on, but it feels extremely good and I love it against my skin. It is buttery, baby. IUGA inspire you to go active. Crazy deal alert! Buy 3, get 22% off and stack my code Tamika25 for an extra 25% off. That's up to 50% off one pair of leggings, just $15 on IUGA's website. Click the link below. Thank you, IUGA, for collaborating with your girl, SheisTamika. I can't wait to use my activewear in my home workouts because your girl is going to be getting fit, fine, and I'm already that anyway, but hey, now I get to look gorgeous when I work out. Thank you again, IUGA, for collaborating with your girl, Tamika. Goodbye, gorgeous.